Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to fix a scratch disk error in Photoshop. So let's open our Photoshop software. And the scratch disk error often happens because your C drive is completely full. The first thing that you can do is remove the previous temporary files from your scratch disk, like the cache and other things that Photoshop saves. To do that, click on Edit and then click on Purge. Here, select All, and since it cannot be undone, make sure that you don't lose any valuable files. If you are sure about it, click OK. And as I previously said, one reason Photoshop cannot conduct any more new saves is because your main local disk is completely full. So to check that, go to here and search for Storage Settings. Click that, and here, as you can see, I have more than 26 GB free. But if it's really low, you can remove temporary files, or you can uninstall any apps or software that you don't need or use anymore. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.